Hi, I did a video sometime back on which industries or which verticals which AI will impact the most, right? So in that, what I said in summary was that anybody who works with the mind, fingertips will get affected the most. Anybody who does physical labor will be the least affected. Now, in that previous mentioned model, the mind, the most important, the most affected areas will be creative. So what is called digital, that's going to be the biggest space. Why? Let me explain to you. At the core of our digital space, like you might be looking at it, looking at me from a mobile phone, right? Now, although it looks very complicated, you can see my face, there are like a million pixels moving, voice coming in, right? If you drill down deep enough, it's all to do with a one and a zero, the electronic signals, right? One and zero. Back in the 1980s, when we were doing programming, it was all that was the basics, like it was called monochrome, monitors. It was all 1 0 1 0. When you go down to the code level, all you see is 1 0s. But today, of course, it's a little bit complicated. But at the core of it, it's always anything digital is it's a one and a zero. That's it. These are the two only states, and using these states, you get very complicated messages out, right? So even AI, if you really look at it, right, all it needs to figure out is how to use one and zero. That's it, nothing else. The moment AI knows, and already it knows, that they can control one and zero, that AI can control one and zero, layers, a million layers can be built on top of it. And the video that I'm showing you now, which I'm speaking physically and you're using ones and zeros, is being recreated in your phone. What is stopping AI from creating these one and zeros, so that recording function is taken out of me, creating my face, putting it out there just like I'm talking to you, and recreating it in your mobile? So AI can do it. It has done it halfway, and it will even get better and better, and it will very soon take this entire function out of human creativity, right? So I think digital area is going to be the biggest affected, if you ask me, more than any other area. I think a lot of people know it, and big companies, they are slowly training their staff and getting ready for it. So if you want my answer, learn AI now itself, especially if you're in the digital space. Make sure whatever you do on a day-to-day basis, 20, 30, 40% has to be infused with AI. That is the only way you can survive this new age which we are heading into. So that's the message for all my digital friends. Thank you.